What would happen if we place a piece of iron on a solar battery and hit it with a hammer? Will it explode or just smoke? So today we are going to break every safety rule written on a battery. Water, fire, short circuit, and finally physical impact. And trust me, the last experiment is something you've probably never seen before. Inside a battery, what happens when safety rules are broken? Do not try any of these experiments at home. These experiments are extremely dangerous and can cause fire, explosion, or serious injury. Before we start, let's understand one simple thing: what is inside a battery. A typical phone battery contains highly reactive chemicals and stores electrical energy. Inside almost every modern battery, there are three basic components: an anode, a cathode, and a highly flammable electrolyte. Whether it's a lithium battery, a phone battery, a power bank, or even an electric car, their same basic components are always present. And when these components damage or forced to react abnormally, the result is heat, fire, and sometimes a violent explosion. That's why batteries come with so many warning labels. What happens when a battery is placed in water? Water can create unwanted chemical reaction and short circuit. So as you can see, we have taken a glass of water and now we have dropped this lithium battery into it to see what happens. Look closely, bubbles are forming. That means the gas is being released. I kept the battery inside the water for about 15 minutes. During this time, only bubbles come out and nothing very dramatic happened. However, the battery has completely lost its power. As you can see, the LED bulb is not turning anymore. Now let's move on and break the next safety rule. We are going to connect both terminals of the battery together. But before that, let me show you that the battery still has full electrical charge. Now you can see it is glowing properly. Now let's see what happens when you connect both terminals together. Now we connect both terminals directly using a metal wire. The moment I connected them, I felt a lot of heat in my hand because all the stored power was released at once. This is called a short circuit and it forces energy to flow instantly. Notice how fast the battery heating up. Now let's wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am disconnecting the terminals. Now let's try to turn on the LED light again. As you can see, it is not turning anymore. Now let's break the next even more dangerous safety rule. That's why you can see I have come outside to a safe open area and started a fire. Now I am placing this battery directly into the fire. After about 15 to 16 seconds, the battery exploded and was thrown far away. That's really crazy. After taking a short break while starting the video again, the battery that we put into the fire was thrown away and fell into some dirty water. We are not able to retrieve it from there, so unfortunately, we could not show it again. So now let's move on to the final experiment. As you can see, we have set up this entire system very carefully while maintaining proper safety. So you can see I have attached a metal rod to a hammer. By the way, it takes a lot of effort and real risks to make video like this. So if you are really enjoying this, please hit the like button and comment what kind of experiment you want to see next. And now I'm going to hit the battery directly using this hammer. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. As you can see, there is no smoke and no explosion at all. And the reason is simple. There was no electrical charge left inside the battery. That's why even after piercing it with metal, nothing dramatic happened. All of these experiments were extremely interesting but also extremely dangerous. Science is powerful but only when used responsibly. Subscribe for more real experiments and real science.